Hi, I'm Lee Stevens with HD Supply, and this video is going to cover the removal and the testing of the Defrost thermostat. When working with electrical, if you are uncomfortable, consult a professional. Follow lockout, tagout procedures, as it is an OSHA requirement. Follow your company's policies and procedures when working with electrical, and always remember your personal protective equipment, your safety glasses, and your gloves. When removing the Defrost thermostat, first note its location. Mark its location with a Sharpie so you can replace it to the exact spot. Now to remove the thermostat, tilt it forward, then push up on the bottom of the clip, and now the wires are ready to be clipped for removal, and take it back to the shop for testing. We have removed our Defrost thermostat. Notice the setting on this is an L45 minus 20F. At 45 degrees, this thermostat opens up. So at current room temperature, setting your meter to ohms, this thermostat will read open, and it does. This is a good thermostat. L45 minus 20, so 45 minus 20 or 25 degrees is when this thermostat would reset. So you would have to drop the temperature of this thermostat below 25 degrees to test it in the closed position.